to Yardie Belly's kitchen, and this evening we are looking about some dinner. Yes, and I'm trying my hands at new things, well, using the same ingredients but trying new things, different things, you know. Alright, so today we're gonna do some chickpeas. I'm gonna try stew them or curry them, and I'm gonna add some shrimp to it. Let me just show you quickly what I have here. I have some radish, garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, a little piece of ginger, some thyme. I cut up half of a white onion. Underneath there, so I have a piece of jalapeno, 2 stalks or 3 stalks of scallions or green onion, and I have about 4 of the baby, we call them a bell pepper. I have 1 can of chickpeas and I wash them. I pull it from the can and I wash it, make sure. This is sofrito, green seasoning from Caribbean. Caribbean people use that, Latino people and stuff. Then over here, I have some oregano. Yep. I have some tarragon. I have some lemongrass. I'm going to use it to flavor the oil. And I have what is called sorrel here, which is, I think, is artichoke leaf. I'm going to cook them. I'm going to cook down my thing in some coconut oil. Yeah, I may have some coconut spread. I may not use butter, so I may use this coconut spread. And I'm going to add to the chickpeas, I'm going to add some shrimp. Yeah, and this is the shrimp I'm using. Alright, 40 to 50. I'm going to add some shrimp. Kind of like, you know, do a thing, you see? So, let me get started in the kitchen, and then we see how we can put all of them ingredients here together. Cause this one here is full 100 experiment. I've been online and I see them do curry chickpeas. It's a popular dish. So I'm gonna try it that style there, but I want the shrimp in it for back it, you see? And then now we use herbs and thing. We're gonna use a little bit of powdered seasoning, but not much. And mainly with herbs we want to use, because we want to get some new flavors going on in our mouth. We want our mouth get crazy, you see? I have some coconut milk here so too. Yeah, maybe I look for some our original coconut milk, but I don't find none. So I just use that, you see? Alright, so let's get cooking. I saw the thing set, remember? Okay, so I have I put the piece of free lemongrass in the oil. I'm going to add some curry. And what kind of curry is this? The better pack curry? Just regular curry. You just want a curry
I'm not sure what brand that is.
That's some of your mixture curry, man. I'm not going to add enough curry because I just want curry color. And then I'm going to use my herbs them to make the flavor. These are some of your mixture.
Better knockout. Better flavor.
Better something.
I thought lemongrass was for tea though.
I know, but them cooking it. When you see, this is the thing. I've been watching a lot of Indian videos on YouTube and trying to catch how them use flavors and how them use spices and stuff. And I noticed that them use lemongrass a lot in them regular cooking, them regular, you know. So I try to say I can teach some flavors and teach some style, you know, to make our thing more unique. Alright, so alright, now I'm going to add some right here. So now I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic. The stove is on low.
Both complement curry well.
Yeah, alright, you see, I start to add little sense with the thing.
But this will look like your amount of oil though.
Now I'm going to put more oil, right?
Way more.
I chew a coconut oil may use. So folks, this is coconut oil. And it's maybe about a tablespoon. It should be a little bit more, but I
am proud of the amount.
Go on with your business. I try to save up, I try to do my thing nice and proper.
And look at this. This is a real coconut oil, you know. This reminds me of back home.
Yeah,
Jamaica style.
That company there.
Real plastic bottle.
Them there in Miami. I don't know if you can find them in other West Indian stores.
Simple natural coconut oil.
And it smells like coconut oil too. So my garlic and ginger has been in the pot for a little while. As you can see, I keep the stove low because I don't want to burn nothing. I try extract flavors, so I don't want to burn none. Alright, so now I'm going to add my onion.
Word pando with the burn argument.
No man, I just say, when you turn up the stove high sometimes, you burn the food before you get the...
People, I'm always asking my burn everything. That's what I'm saying.
Gosh, she's a burn queen.
Burn specialist.
She's the burn queen. I'm putting the little onion. And now go ahead and put in the white part of the scallion. Because you know me always use the rest of the scallion to garnish when the food almost done. And I'm going to put in the chickpeas. As I tell you, it's going to need more oil because you can't see some oil left in the pot. I'm going to put in the chickpeas and now to make it fermentate.
You're the tune, man. You're the tune.
Yes, I know the people them always that tell me say it's not permeate, it's permeate. Yes, but me make my own word. Alright? If Nelson and Webster can make them one word, why Yardie Belly can make him one word?
Aye.
So now as you can see the oil is this color and it gets room temperature, it melts out. So yeah.
What do you call that again when it's hard up like that?
Coagulate? Yeah, something like so. Or seize up. Like my mother said, seize up. Yeah. So I'm put a little more oil in it. At the end of the day, you put oil to make yourself comfortable. See them now? See how the chickpeas are look?
Wow. This is how we soon start eating up people.
I may try avoid the bad eating folks. The whole for excess, you know, meat and stuff. So bear with me here. Yeah. I make this go on set now. Might have to put little coconut milk now. I go get the coconut milk ready now to add to it. So as you can see, I have my thing I cook like I go and, you know, fix up nicely. See? And I go add the shrimp then. Now remember these shrimp previously cooked, so you don't really want to expose them to no cooking, right? Because the longer them cook, them get tough. You think I should add them now or wait?
Till when?
I don't know. Till I done put in everything and then add them last. I add them now, I can't bother.
Oh boy.
Now once I add them, I turn up the fire a little bit more. Because I want them shrimp to start to absorb some of the little thing. Alright, now I'm going to add some powdered seasoning right quick.
What's that?
This is chili powder. Just a little. Everything is going to be in a small portion.
1/4 teaspoon.
This is paprika.
Is that the smoke one?
No, just the regular one. I never want to use the smoke one.
Okay.
Because it's a paprika dish. You know?
1/4 teaspoon?
Yeah.
Paprika.
Cayenne pepper. I don't want to add a lot because I'm going to add some jalapenos later. So, little bit. I have some spice blend, garlic spice blend from Jodie's Kitchen. Yeah. So yeah. Now this is herbs, so you can add probably 1/2 teaspoon of that. You know, this is up to your taste. I'm going back again with some more pepper flakes. Yes. Alright. See that now? Watch it.
Wow.
Watch it.
Nice.
And again, you can, as I say, you can turn up the heat a little bit more because these shrimp are going to release a little bit of water.
Turn up the heat.
This is where I'm going to add now some of my sofrito or green seasoning. This have to make gravy bill.
So where that come from?
It's a Latin American Caribbean, Pan-American Caribbean flavor something.
Okay.
You know, them see it already. You can make your own. It's just a mixture of all green seasoning. I'm going to put some tarragon leaf. Couple leaf of tarragon. I'm going to try the new spice that I'm going to build on them. You know? So I want build a little flavor and notes flavored now.
One DJ never named tarragon one time.
Yeah. He's gonna add my tarragon. And I'm gonna go and stir fry. At this time, you want to keep it moving.
Yeah, make the food look a little bit though, but it no.
I threw the pot big.
Yeah. I just stray away.
I threw the pot big. You look nice, man. I'm not telling you, it look nice.
Very intelligent.
Yeah.
Oh.
My name make my phone get overheat and blow.
That's incredible.
And here I'm gonna add my coconut milk, my reconstituted coconut milk.
So it's like just a half cup of water with a half pack of the Grace coconut powder.
Oh yeah, me find some Grace in my fridge. I will always have Grace for me. Now you want to turn up the heat and make the thing permeate. Alright? So once this come up to a nice rolling boil, then you add your finishing. I always add vegetables to my dish, folks, because I like when my dish pretty. So yeah, I will just go and watch it and make it thicken up, and then we're ready for eat, you know. I tell you that. Check your seasoning and make sure your things sort out. And as a matter of fact, I have a surprise for you, because I put 2 bami on this, make it go and steam. Okay, so I'm just going to close shut off the pot now. I'm just throwing the thing them night. Throwing the turnip on my thing. The scallion. And I'm throwing my bell pepper. And a couple jalapeno. And yeah, see it? You can't see my store. Turn on the fan. And you adjust the seasoning to your taste, you adjust the thickness to your taste. If you want to add a little water to make it thin out, or if you want to add a little cornstarch to make it thicker, that's up to you. And my final analysis will be a little of the coconut, something here, so
Right.
yeah, to just give it some shine, give it a little sheen. Alright, and that replaces your butter. How your food look?
Amazement.
And make them see the camera, make the camera show over in the packet somehow. We serve this with some ground provision, dumpling and banana and them thing there. Me show you the finished plate, man. Don't stop look. Me show you the finished plate. Alright? So that are your curry chickpeas with shrimp.
Yeah, so this is the finished product, guys. We have it served up with some green banana, some boiled dumpling, piece of yam, yellow yam, and some Cuban potato. Yeah, it looks very delicious, and it's garnished with some jalapeno pepper.
Jalapeno,
Yeah.
That's a try a thing once again, you know, different dinner idea in the house on a weekday. And so this is my curried garbanzo bean with shrimp. And you can try it in your neck of the woods. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend them about it. Because we are doing thing around here. Why feel you like that food, yeah?
Very much so. Can't wait.
You can't wait for it? Then take it, man. Take it. God help us. See, the food has disappeared. Yeah, the belly in a foreign. But it look good. Nah, tell no lie.